Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Hara Podcast. I'm Hasna and as usual I'm here with Rama.
Hi guys, today we will talking about something we'll experience but don't talk about much. Parenting, but from our point of view as kids.
Yeah, exactly. Parents always talk about how to raise kids,
Yeah.
but we rarely get a chance to share what it feels like to be on the other side.
So we are bringing this topic to the table, hoping parents can learn from our perspective and that kids out there can relate to our stories.
Okay, let me start. For me, the biggest thing about my parents' style is the balance.
Oh.
Yeah, they are not super strict, but not too lenient either. It's like they know when to be firm and when to chill.
Uh, that's great. Can you give an example?
Yeah, sure. Back in high school, I asked to join the extracurricular Pasibra.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, because I want to have something to do besides studying. Yeah. Instead of saying yes or no right away, they asked me, why do you want to join?
Oh.
And I had to explain my reasons, and after that, they agreed. I felt really respected.
That's awesome. Sometimes without those kinds of conversations, kids feel like they are just following orders without knowing or understanding why. For me, it's a bit different. My parents trust me a lot. They rarely check my homework or interfere with the school stuff, but they are always there when I need them.
Okay, so they trust you to figure things out on your own.
Exactly. But honestly, sometimes I wonder like do they really trust me or do they just not care?
Oh my god. That's so classic. Yeah. Parenting is really about finding the balance, making kids feel cared for but not smoother. So, in your opinion, what's ideal parenting from a kid's perspective?
For me, it's all about balance. Parents should be good listeners but also set clear rules. For example, if I mess up, I want them to explain why it's wrong, not just yell at me.
Oh, that's me too. Yeah, I want parents who actually listen to what I have to say.
Yeah.
And sometimes we have reasons for what we do, but there is no space to share them.
Exactly. But I also get that being a parent is so hard, right?
Yeah,
They are human too, with many emotions and expectations.
yeah, that's true. And it's important for us as kids to understand
Yeah.
that no parents is perfect. As long as there is good communication, any parenting style can work.
Yeah. But you know what's funny? Parents often don't realize that small things they do actually teach us big lessons.
Oh yeah. Like what?
For example, when I was kids, my mom made me tidy my bed every morning. I didn't get it back then, but now I can start my day if my room is messy.
Yeah, that's so relatable.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, my dad always said, "Finish your food."
Yeah.
Yeah. At first, I thought it was just about saving money, but now I see it taught me to appreciate what I have.
Yeah, see? Those little habits are
Yeah.
parenting too. They don't always teach us with words, but through actions. By the way, we've talked about good parenting. But have you ever had an experience where it didn't feel so ideal?
Hmm. Oh, definitely. When I was younger, I used to get yelled at for bad grades.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's so sad.
I feel disappointed, not just in myself, but in them too. I thought it seems like I'm only valued when my grades are good.
That's so relatable. Sometimes academic standards makes us feel like we are just machine for grades.
Yeah,
But we have strengths in other areas too.
yeah, yeah. It's exactly. But over time, I realized that just want the best for me,
Mm.
and maybe the way they did it was not the best too.
Yeah, that's a lesson for parents. Feedback is important, right? But it needs to be constructive. If it is too harsh, kids might lose motivation.
Hmm. Thinking about it, our parents' styles are pretty unique. Ever compare them with your friends' parents?
Oh, for sure. I have a friend whose parents are very super protective.
Oh,
They even
Yeah.
control who she hangs out with. I thought, wow, that's so different from how my parents are.
yeah, Sam, with me, I have a friend whose parents are really strict
Oh.
about gaming time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Gaming.
with my parents, as long as my responsibilities are done, I can play.
But there is also the case of parents being too laid back. A friend told me they were allowed to play games late into the night with no reminders. It made it hard for them to be disciplined later on.
Yeah, too strict or no or too lenient can both have negative effects.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why balance is so important. If you could tell your parents one thing about what you need as a kid, what would it be?
Wow, it's so deep. I'd say, please trust me. Sometimes we want our parents to understand that we need to explore on our own without always being controlled.
I'd say I'm human too, with flaws. Please don't compare me to other kids.
That's right.
Yeah, we all have our own path.
Exactly. Parents often forget that we need time to learn and grow. We cannot be perfect right away.
Hmm. Besides talking about parents' roles,
Yeah.
what do you think our role as kids is in building a good relationship with them?
I think we should start learning empathy too. Parents are not perfect and they have pressures from work or family expectations.
Yeah, I agree. So, while we want to be understood, we also have to try to understand them. I once asked my mom, "What made you tired today?"
Wow,
And she was really happy I asked that.
that's inspiring. I think I should try talking more with my parents, not just about my needs, but also to understand how they feel.
Okay, so in conclusion, parenting is not just about parents teaching kids, but also about us supporting them.
True, a good relationship between parents and kids is built on communication, trust, and understanding.
Okay, for those of you listening, we hope this conversation helps you understand the important role we play as kids in family relationship.
And to the parents out there, remember that good parenting starts with listening to your kids.
Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to share this podcast with friends or family if you found it helpful.
Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.
Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.